When you're looking for a property, you're looking for location and potential, and that's exactly what you have here at 92 Albert Street, Woodridge. Perched on 607 square metres, this property has a site assessment available if you're wanting to add a secondary dwelling, and its location is second to none. In close proximity to schools, shopping centres, and located only halfway between Brisbane and the Gold Coast, there is no better place to purchase. Come inside and check it out.
Keep her hands pressed out against your chest, and every siren went silent in my head. Open our streaming lap for